If I don't have a mag, I get a bastard stab with a knife big as a claw for the Alaskan crab. Young, I'm down with Vinny, give me 6 weeks. All your little piss weeks is up Shit's Creek. Think we a joke? I put 3 in your throat. Joke off gin and CNC coke when we flee in a boat. Then I come open up the spot with coconut Ciroc, so the hoes will suck some cock. Then I forget to call after I know I get attention. Deficit disorder. 1-5, catch us off exit, send us. Whole clique of registered sex offenders. Pop shit, we'll hold your funeral. XVs, niggas money coming Roman numerals. Your blood slow now, she fuck with them rappers. Cause y'all niggas money took a muscle relaxer.
I'm the mastermind with a faster rhyme. It's work, not how I pass the time. I'm the mastermind with a faster rhyme. It's work, not how I pass the time. I'm the mastermind with a faster rhyme. It's work, not how I pass the time. I'm the mastermind with a faster rhyme. It's work, not how I pass the time. I'm music strong enough to stop a bomb. I'm putting pressure on you kids like I'm a soccer mom. Who you think I dig it that it was to stop Saddam? Who you think I dig it that it was to drop the bomb? You get your shit rocked, mom, like Mustafa Song. You blowing smoke, you motherfucker, you should cop a bomb. The 9 Taurus jam a little bit, the Glock is strong. I move brutal and use voodoo like Papa Sean. Over a billion Muslims, you can never stop as long. Over a billion bullets shooting from the chopper's arm. The backstage filled with liquor and a lot of Tron. Cause it's been hard on Vinny since my father gone. I'm about to blow the fucking horns like it was Rosh Hashanah. This is the calm before the storm, Armageddon dawn. Carry a motherfucker head that I shredded on. I speak literally, figuratively, the prophet gone. I'm the